So, uh, question number 4 for the video text answer. This video is for Hilda Fernandez 1S class. So, what advice would you know or would you give to your future self in 1T in the spring? For me, for one, so right now I've been in English 1S and 242A, which is the first part of the accelerated course to equal 1A credit. But but my advice would be to in 1T is listen to the teacher, what he or she has to say about my writing or writing in general, or how I'm participating in the class discussions, or how is the class doing overall. But I would really advise that you revise your essays a lot more than normal. Even if you're just checking for one thing, you know that essay is going to be better than before. Each time each time that you revise it, because as you revise, supposedly your essay should have gotten better and better. Even if you're just revising for grammatic errors, sentence craft errors, or if you're just checking to make sure it's logic errors, or it doesn't flow through the essay, or there's unclear points that you just may have to clarify up. But those things are what we can do by yourself, or have it point out by other students with the peer review, so that which helps, which peer editing really helps us, and maybe get somebody else that you know that's a real good friend of yours, or that to proofread your essay, or give to see what their thoughts on it, or maybe they can add some points that you don't have in your essay, to read, to revise, because more stuff you add, the better the essay will be, or the clarification of the ideas, or clarification of grammar would appeal to the reader, how educated you are in writing. Because it's one thing that a picture means 1,000 words, but sometimes we can express more in words than pictures, or it feels like words are more verbalized, that when we speak we're able to express our thoughts more freely than if it was just a picture. And most of us really write, or sorry, we speak well, but in order to write, we must understand what challenges that we have and fix those challenges to make us write better. Some of us may have grammar errors, sentence craft errors, and some may be they just have great ideas that they just need to structure the essay a little bit more, and maybe that's all they need to work on. So to wrap up the video, my last advice would be to revise your essays as much as you can, anytime, no matter what essay is, no matter what week you're in, even if it's in dead week or getting close to the end of the quarter. Especially next quarter is going to be hard because summer's almost here, but just revise those essays and you should do well and do well on your essays. Okay, this concludes my video text. Question number 4.